Paul has his nice ways as well, you know.
Of course, some of him nice ways. It's just that him not displayed with you. When last him carry you out? Just as I thought. Paul no work, you know. All him do a gamble and beat the next to rape you. And the last time I get pregnant, the boy make you take abortion. And on top of that, you alone a work for make 2 ends meet. And any day you come in here late, him accuse you say you have an ex-man. Wake up now, John.
I think it's pure frustration because him not work.
Hello, ground provision. Read my lips. Paul no wanna work. Paul one of them boy will feel like him a go win a big money off a lottery race as one of them day and all them dreams come true.
Brenda, I'm confused. I'm try everything to make this relationship work. Everything. I'm even apply for a promotion at the job. I'm gonna start some evening classes. Sometimes I can't hardly wake up the way I'm tired. Because I know if I lose this job, I'm gonna go crazy. Because I eat pay the bills and I eat put grocery in the house. All I ask for is a little support. And all I get is disrespect, abuse and pain. And because I don't want people to know the issues that I go through, I just hide everything.
I understand everything we have said, John. But you can't continue to lie to yourself. If it not work, it just not work.
4 times since month start, I miss work. Because I'm reaching at a time of partying is too late.
And what him do? Oh, so the other day when your face well up in your yard, you see you slide and lick your face for the night, you a lie, you did I tell?
I just did too embarrassed to tell the truth.
Me and your best friend. Oh, you go shame for tell me something like this when you know me will defend you. So you prefer I'm killing inside you.
That would have been killed times 2.
What do you mean by that?
I'm pregnant again.
So you tell him?
Yes. And I'm talking about abortion again.
What you want me to do?
Hello, good morning. Mr. Parchment? Yes, sir. I was going to explain, sir. No, sir. Alright. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What?
I'm gonna lose the job.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, my see smile, perfect picture. Even though deep inside she's so far. My girl fear the fancy cover. Now make you see how she bruised and battered. You see a smile, perfect picture. Even though deep inside she's so far. So my girl fear the fancy cover. Now make you see how she bruised. Reflecting me see how much she changed from she there with him. It seemed like nothing cause she checked in, but slowly over time she hypervigilant. It's up in a dark corner at every event. At the little things we get to realize. Introvert behavior start to normalize most times when we thought me hear the agony. But she said she happy, you must spend money. My eyes, you smile, perfect picture. even though deep inside she's so far. She'll model her fear, but then take over. Now make you see how she bruised and battered. You see a smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she's so far. She'll model her fear, but then take over. Now make you see how she bruised. The devil see your sister post, can't believe you're gone. Your mother peaked, said the data memory live on me up. Bring your phone, you no answer my call, so me stop buying money for no one. Pull up by your gate, no see the yellow tape. Witness said them see your man speed off and escape authorities. Till they I try determine who to blame. I fast my fast and see your body back a label. And you my eyes, you smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she's so far. She'll model her fear, but then take over. Now make you see how she bruised and battered. She's got it so good, concealing it so numb. She can't feel the leaks, yeah. It's why she don't speak of it. It's a secret, so she'll hide it. I miss you, try to hold it together. Ignore the red flags, I couldn't save you. She said sorry for letting you endure. Got me the birthday, cause I know you before. And only if I know, yeah. And only if I know, and only if I knew, yeah. And only if I knew, yeah. You smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she's so far. She'll model her fear, but then take over. Now make you see how she bruised and battered. You see a smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she's so far. She'll model her fear, but then take over. Now make you see how she bruised